Restore and Utility. Click on the Device Setting Plus. Click on Restore and Utility to restore the device backup and some other managerial tasks. You can restore fingers, set employee name, set device administrator, and delete device admin from this option. Restore fingers. Select Restore Fingers. Click on Load. Backup device and restore device will appear. Once you select the backup device, the employee list will appear in the grid for whom the backup has been taken. Select Restore Device. Select Employees from the grid to restore the finger. Click Process to restore fingers. You can restore fingerprints from one device to multiple devices at once. Set Employee Name. Select Set Employee Name. Click on Load. It will load employee and the device in the grid. Select device and employees from the grid. Click on Process to set employee name in all selected devices. Set Device Administrator. Select Set Device Administrator. Click on Load to load the employees and device in the grid. Select device and employees from the list. Click Process to set the selected employees as device administrator. Delete admin password. Click on Delete admin password. Select device from which you want to remove the admin. Click on Load. Select Employee to remove admin rights. Click on Process to complete the deletion. At one time, you can remove admins from a single device.